the beginning, the Lord made the earth, the heaven, the hills, and the sea. Then He created the sun and the stars, the land, the bird, the trees. He made all creation that live in His word, and taught them to live by His plan. Then as He rested, the Lord satisfied the seventh